Hey everyone, how's it going? So just a couple weeks ago, the new Pikmin Deluxe game came out. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw the yellow Pikmin from the new Pikmin game. Now to begin with this, we want to start with the eyes. So I'm going to start down here, and I'm going to make a little oval shape like this. And then I'm going to make another little oval shape right over here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that curves down, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to take my line, and I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Kind of looks like a little hourglass. I'm going to draw three little fingers. I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to draw my line up. We'll do the same thing here. I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3, and then I'm going to bring my line up here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw my line. It's going to curve down, and then I'll do the same thing here. It's going to curve down. I'm going to draw a little line that goes out and then down. And then we're going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 little bumps on it for the toes. And then we'll draw a little line up. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes down here. And we'll do the same thing. 1, 2, and 3 toes. And then we're going to curve the line up. Then I'm going to make a little curved line across. Next, I'm going to start right up here. I'm going to leave just a little bit of space, and I'm going to curve a line up. And I'll do the same thing here, just curve a line up just a little bit. For the ears, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's going to curve right back to here, underneath the eye. Then I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go out. Then we're just going to come back right underneath the eye. Kind of look like little Yoda ears. I'll draw a little line that curves out on each side. And then I'm going to add a pupil inside each eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up. And then another one here that's going to get really skinny as it gets towards the top. I'm going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to come down. And another one that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up. I'll make a little line that curves across for some details. And I'm going to add some little V-shapes right along here. I'll put one more towards the top. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little yellow Pikmin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.